Hi, I'm Coach Daniel, and today I'll be teaching you the basics of single stick striking. So first is our grip. You can either hold the weapon here, one fist from the bottom, or over here, at the very end. Each has its own advantages. When holding it at the very end over here, we have more reach and more range. When holding it one fist from the bottom, it becomes a lot easier to manipulate the weapon and vary our strikes. So for the purposes of this tutorial, we'll be holding it here, one fist from the bottom. Next is our stance. In Arnis, we place our dominant leg forward. In my case, it's the right leg. And we put the weapon up here in what we call the abierta position. Abierta is the Spanish word for open. So this is our basic stance. And now for the striking technique. This movement is called an X. And if you'll notice, it's as if I'm drawing a large X on the air. And X, when translated, means the letter X. So the mechanics are as follows. From the abierta position, it's a downward diagonal strike that goes from here to here, all the way to the cerrada position. And cerrada is a Spanish word for closed. From the cerrada position, we execute the second strike, all the way back to the abierta position. Now when using a blunt weapon, we go for the bones and crush it with the impact of our stick. Therefore, with the X technique, we can target the temples, the collarbone, and the knee. What's great about starting with the X technique is that it's natural for the human body to make this swinging motion. Furthermore, you're working with gravity, so it's very easy to generate power. And one solid strike to the head is enough to knock out a person or even kill someone. So those are the basics of single stick striking. Keep practicing and see you next time.